Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing well. So today the topic of our video is what is chemistry. Today we will learn about chemistry, what is chemistry and basics of chemistry. Okay, now do you know what is chemistry? Lots of students think chemistry is the study of chemicals. No, let's talk about chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science, okay? Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with identification, the substance of which matter is composed, the investigation of their properties, and the ways in which they interact, combine, and change, and the use of these processes to form new substance. What you understand by this definition? Basically, the main purpose of this definition or the summary of this definition is that chemistry is the branch of science, okay, one of the most important branch of science, okay, which deals with the substance matters. What are matters? Matters are those particles which have mass and occupy space. Chemistry is the study of substance of which matter is composed. Okay, it is study of their investigation, interactions, combination, and changes. Okay. Now let's talk about why is chemistry called the central science. Chemistry is also known as mother branch of science. What? Mother branch of science or central science. Okay, why? Let's talk about this. As you know, everything exists is made up of atom. Atom is fundamental unit of anything. Okay, anything. For example, for example, we are building a wall. Okay, bricks are the fundamental unit of the wall. Without bricks, wall can't be stand. Okay, and wall is made up of thousands of bricks or like hundreds. So atom is also a part of chemistry. Okay, we study atom in chemistry. Okay, and biology, astronomy, environmental science, geology, nuclear science, physics, these all includes atom. Okay, for example, biology, we have DNA. Astronomy, we have spaces. Okay, black holes. Environmental science, for example, plants and like our environment. Okay, nuclear science, gases. In physics, we have atom and its properties. So, atom is studied in chemistry, linked with biology, astronomy, etc. All the branches shown on the screen. So that's why it is also known as central or mother branch of science, okay? Because it involves atom. Now let's talk about main branches of chemistry. We have main branches of chemistry: inorganic, organic, analytical, physical, biochemistry. Okay, now let's talk about inorganic chemistry first. The chemistry of molecules and compound that contain very little hydrocarbons. Now what are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are organic molecules. What? Organic molecules are made up of hydrogen and carbon. Okay, and organic chemistry includes the study of carbon and its component or hydrocarbons. Okay, hydrocarbons are organic compounds. Okay, studied in organic chemistry. Okay, so in inorganic branch of chemistry, we study about very little hydrocarbons and non-hydrocarbon radicals. Okay, now let's talk about analytical chemistry, the study of chemistry of matters and the development of tools used to measure properties of matter. Basically analytical. What is analytical word mean? Analysis. it derives from analysis. What is analysis? Analysis is development of tools na, used to measure some properties of anything. So analytical chemistry is the study of chemistry of matter and the development of tools used to measure properties of matter. I told you before what is matter. Matter is something occupied space and have volume. Now let's talk about physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is basically physics. Okay, it's mainly include physical properties of matters. Now let's talk about its definition. Applies physics to the study of chemistry, thermodynamics, quantum mechanics, nuclear chemistry. Okay. Now last but not least, biochemistry. If you have seen my last video about biology, so you can understand the word bio. But I can tell you here, bio means life. Bio is Greek word means life. Okay, so basically it will include chemistry, uh, uh, chemistry study of chemistry about living organism. Okay, now let's talk about its definition. The study of chemical processes that occur inside the living organism. Okay, that occur inside of living organism. For example, respiration, breakdown of glucose and oxygen as product, okay, and etc. All the processes like it. Alhamdulillah students, so today topic of our basics of chemistry is also done. I hope you understand all your concepts are clear. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.